Good evening, everyone. Today's session is of week 2 activity session. We'll start the session within 2 3 minutes. Okay, let us begin the session. Yeah, the session is of week 2 activity set questions, no? So if you have any doubts regarding this activity questions, you can ask. Yeah, please. Is it audible or not? Someone can confirm whether it's audible or not?
Yeah, ma'am. Audible. You are audible.
Okay. Yeah, please ask. If not, we can't answer anything, no?
Yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am. Um,
Yes? Yes,
Ma'am,
Kunwar.
actually, I have doubt from nested iteration and non-nested iteration.
Okay. You have some doubt regarding nested and non-nested. I will
Yeah,
explain by using some notepad or something. Okay.
yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Just a
Yeah,
second.
visible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only notepad is visible.
Yeah, visible, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for confirmation. You are asking regarding nested and nested if, no? So
Yes, yes, ma'am.
are you clear with this normal if?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So I'm writing one example. Let's say I'm using some scores data set.
Mm,
Okay. I'm saying if x dot mathematics I'm using as max greater
mm,
than 75, this is one if. So and in the nested if there will be if in if, no? So in the
mm.
second if I'm writing if x dot chemistry greater than 80, then something we have initialized our, let's say, count to 0, count equal to 0. Okay.
Okay,
Now I'm saying count equal to count plus 1. My are my this is my font is
yes, visible, ma'am. Visible.
visible?
Yes. Now it's much better.
Okay. See, now what I have done is I'm initialize simply one variable count as 0, and I'm checking first if I'm talking about the first if block. I'm checking whether mathematics marks of that scores card. I have picked one card. I'm checking whether the max marks of that scores card is greater than 75.
Right.
If the condition is satisfied, then only it will enter to the next statement. So it will, if the marks are greater than 75, then it will come to the next this under the below statement, and it checks if this if the cards, now whatever card I have picked, if that card's chemistry marks is greater than 80, then only this count variable will be incremented. So first it will, the count variable will be incremented if and only if the both conditions are satisfied. Okay.
Okay, okay. So it means we can say this is and condition.
Yeah, it is it is and condition. Okay, now I will say about this if and else. If else, in this I will use if and if else. Okay.
Okay.
greater than 75. Yes, Kunwar, would you like to say, explain whatever you understood here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
If x is greater than 75, then we go to next information. If x is greater than 80, then we will count plus 1. Means we will increment in count.
Okay.
If means if both of anyone in both of conditions is not true, then we will
What? Tell, repeat once again.
if if x star does not have max mark greater than 70 or x dot chemistry does not have greater than 80, then we will not count any. Then we will not count. We will not increment in count.
Uh, Let me tell you, Kunwar. Yeah. First, it will check whether X dot chemistry max greater than 75. If not, if this X dot mathematics marks are not greater than 75 of the card, then it will execute this statement. Initially, our count is 0. Then it will check if it's not greater than 75. Then it will execute directly this count equal to count. The if block, if and else, each, like, there can be else part for this if, or the if can be without else. So the if this the block, else block corresponding to this if, this
Ma'am,
will
your
be
voice is
executed.
not clear. You means some popping type here is coming from my. Hello.
Now, yes, now it's audible.
Not now it's audible. Yeah.
Yeah, actually no. Yeah, first the statement, the first if condition will be checked. This is x dot mathematics greater than 75, it will be checked. If this is not satisfied, then this else statement will be executed. That is the count
Okay.
yeah, that is this count equal to count minus 1 statement will be executed. Yeah, if our card marks is greater than 75, then it will check this chemistry marks. If it is greater than 80, this statement will be executed. If not, this statement, this count equal to 0 will be executed.
Okay. Okay.
Is it clear for you now?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's clear. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for asking. Yes, are there any other queries? Yeah, you can ask any simple doubt, it's not a big issue. Have you done this week 1 graded assignment, submitted, and have you got your scores?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes. 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 I have made one little mistake actually, so that's why I got some lesser marks, 78 only.
Okay, now you understood that concept, no? Why you made mistake, like what is
Yeah,
your.
yeah, I understood. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Now I understood where I made mistake.
Yeah, previously everyone like most of you are complaining like that week one scores are not graded properly. Is it graded properly now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
I have no issue.
Okay, others you can ask any doubts of week two content. Yeah, it is not solved within instructor section, no, so you should ask like whatever doubts you have. Yes, Pranab, you have any doubts?
Because all instructors are
Sorry, it's not audible properly. You
instructor
can.
session.
Oh, okay. But you can ask if you have any doubts on this activity questions now. Tomorrow there is this solve with a session from 5 to 7, no? Not tomorrow, 16th May. Yes, Aishwarya, you have anything? Doubt? Any doubts?
No, ma'am, no doubts as such.
Okay, you can ask any concept related. Now Kunwar has asked that concept related doubt only. No, you can ask not even questions, any concept related things also. Is a viral or something? I don't know what's your proper pronunciation. What is your you draw it now? It's better to speak rather than writing in the chat. Is Abhinava Ganesh, you have any doubts, any queries regarding this week to city content?
No, no. Mm.
Oh no. Anything, any general, like either from week one or week two, are you clear with this iteration and if that conditional iterations things?
I actually had a doubt in one of the questions from the assignment, graded
Which
assignment.
which assignment of week one or week two?
Week one.
Okay, week one. Like related to what?
I think it's the words data set one. There are four variables A, B, C, and D. You have to find the value of C and D at the end of the iteration. When I
Okay.
checked the answers, it was given that C and D were zero, but I could not find out how it was zero.
C and D were zero. Yeah, this query it was someone has answered this query properly in the discourse as well, because yeah, I can explain you this. Just I'm sharing my screen. Just a minute.
Okay, then.
Which question? Question number? Can you tell the question number?
Just a moment from that. Reopen the website. Just a moment.
Ah, excuse me.
Yes, just a moment from that. Just open the web page again.
Okay.
It's question number 11, 12, and 13.
11, 12. Okay.
11, 12,
Yeah.
and 13.
Okay. Sure. Is Abhinav, is it my screen visible up
Yes,
now?
ma'am, I can see it.
Yeah, like tell me like whatever you understood from this code in this code. Yeah.
Ma'am, I actually got decimal values for C and B now, so that is why I got confused. When I did the C equal to A by B and B equal to A by B, I got decimal values, but the final answer was zero. I didn't know how it is zero.
Okay. Okay, let me explain you the concept so you will understand if you have done some mistake. If not everything is correct, then anyhow this what solutions will be provided, right? That detailed solution you can check there.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will explain you the concept whatever is happening in this procedure. Yeah, in the step 1 we are arranging all the cards in a single pile called pile 1, and here in the step 2 we are maintaining four variables a b c d, and we are initializing them to 0. And third step we are checking the condition whether the pile 1 is empty. If it is not empty, then we are going to the step 9, that is divide a by b and store the result in d. Okay. And step 4 we are reading the top card in the pile 1. And here are the major steps 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Now we are checking whether the parts of speech of that card is noun. If it is noun, then we are incrementing a. If the word ends with full stop, then we are incrementing b. Okay. Then that is the variable b is counting the number of sentences in the words data set, and this the variable a is counting number of nouns. If b is not 0, okay, then divide a by b and store the result in c. Move the current card to another pile called pile 2 and repeat from step 3. Okay. Divide a by b and store the result in see, when do you think this the value of d will be updated?
Only
Ganesh, when do
during the final iteration, after all iterations are done.
okay, after all iterations the value of d is updated. And when the c will be updated, value of
The
c
end
will
of
be
each iteration.
yeah, at the end of each iteration the c will be updated. But yeah, you are correct. So you have checked with the dataset as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, b store the total number of, just let me check this, a and b, what are a and b. A stores the total number of nouns, and b stores the total number of sentences in the dataset. Okay. After execution of the above procedure, the variable c and d both store the average number of nouns per sentence. You got this option, this 10th question as well, right?
Yes, ma'am. 9 and 10 I.
Okay, 11 and 2. It's
9th and 10th came correct, ma'am. Only the 11, 12, 13 was problem. Because I don't know how it was zero.
Okay. Yeah. For this to calculate, for this to do, I need to what do with the data set, right? It takes the time. So anyhow, detailed solution will be provided, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but you are clear with your concept. I understood like whatever you told is clear, like it's correct.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes,
And so
others.
I will check with that solution. That solution I'll see.
Yeah. What is the solution? They told it's same, no?
Yes, ma'am.
The values of C and D are same,
Yes, ma'am.
and okay, the value of C is 0 and D is 0. Okay. Yeah. Any others? Like any others have solved this question? Did you get the correct answer or
Which one?
that graded assignment 10th, 11th, 12th?
Yeah, I got the answer.
You got the correct answer. You checked with the data set, okay?
Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think Abhin, this Ganesh might you have made some calculation mistake. That's it. No, others have got correct answer, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'll check it up. I'll check it up.
Okay. Have you attended? Anyone attended this CD open session? Previous week one CD open session.
Nope.
No, none of you has attended. Huh?
I have, yes, ma'am. I have attended.
How is the session? Like, what type of questions have asked in that session?
Means related to city and some general questions also they have asked.
Okay.
Yeah,
You found that session useful or
yeah, ma'am. Very much useful.
okay? Pranab, do you have some doubts or you are clear with this week two concepts?
I don't have such employee.
You are not audible, Pranab. Is it only for me or for everyone?
I don't have
Yes,
Ma'am, for everyone.
Yeah, I
his voice is breaking.
can't hear him.
Voice is breaking.
Yeah, I think it's an internet issue.
Okay, like how many courses you people are doing? Like you are doing this?
Uh, yeah,
Yes,
I am doing 3 courses this time. CT and stats and English.
CT stats 1 or stats 2?
Stats one because I skipped the January term.
Okay, okay,
I am doing the same courses, CT, Stat, and English.
oh, okay. Now you have some. You are like. Can I know like what is you what you are a student or you are working somewhere something like that?
Actually, I'm working
Where? Which company?
TCS,
Okay. How many years of experience you have?
1.5
1.5. You are graduate, undergraduate or postgraduate?
graduate.
Okay. You are from which background? Like mechanical something?
Actually, I'm from a mechanical background. Then I have it. done one course for automation testing, and then I joined TCS.
Okay. Are you enjoying this online degree program?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's great.
Okay.
And also the communities are very helpful.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm joining this session, a doubt clearing session, first time.
Okay. How is the session? Like, yeah, it will be good if you ask queries. I know you people are like redoing this course, and week two will be
Yeah.
very lighter for you. You can ask
Yeah.
some general conceptual questions as well. No issues.
Ma'am, can we ask the question beyond the week two?
Beyond
Or
week two, no. Like which week? Can you tell the week?
no, in general question like we are facing.
Uh, you can ask. You can ask like related to this site. Yeah, you can
Actually,
ask.
actually,
Yeah.
we will ask in the later session, but last 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Once we completed the with the week one, week two, or whatever academic session.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Kunwar.
Ma'am, actually, I have never used this discussion forum, so how to use it?
Discourse.
Yeah, Discourse forum.
Yeah, there is like wait, let me check. Generally, how you people do, like you will open that discourse link and you will. I'm asking about the other students, like how you people will do. Someone, is there some link on the portal to open that discourse?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I log in.
They have given a
Yeah,
link. They have sent a link.
yeah, it's there in on that course page also. In that, in where I will show once, like in the course and announcements and forum is there, no? In that forum page is directly leading to this discourse page. Okay, I
Okay.
will
Yep.
share I will share my screen. Okay, it will be better.
And then you have to make an account on that platform.
Okay, you have to make an account. I and see, can you see the screen?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, this course page, here there is forum, right?
Forum. Right.
Yeah, this forum page. So can you see that thing, or you are seeing only this graded assignment thing?
No, I can see this forum
Forum
web
thing.
page. Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Here forum, here you can see this. Already people have asked some doubts
yes.
regarding this. Yeah, to write this query, you can start here. Like I will show you. Oh, this is the same page. Yeah? There will be some new topic you can write over there. I will I will wait. I will do that thing.
Actually, down there is a link saying that start a new conversation.
In where? Down the same thing.
Yes, ma'am. Example, if you go inside computational thinking and if you go down, and it is showing start a new conversation.
Okay, there are no. Yeah, you can
Okay.
you can click here and you can write here.
Start a
You
new
can,
conversation and then you
yeah,
can
you can add some
yes.
title. Yeah, it's there. You can add here your title, and you can tag, like you can write which doubt, like regarding activity questions or week two or operate something. You can write like whatever doubts you have, like regarding which thing, week one or week two, you can mention here, and you can type over here, and just click
Okay.
create new topic. That's it.
Okay. 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 Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, we never write this. No, we just answer to your reply. No, so that's why it's also late. Come.
Yeah.
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 Okay. Yeah. Anything? Others can speak out. Have you attended this? Are you attending this stat sessions as well? How are they? How are they happening? Hello. Yes, Akash, you have something to speak? Are you thorough with the week 1 and week 2 contents of CT? Akash Joshi.
Yeah, I joined the start session like this time. Yeah,
Yeah,
and it was very quiet there.
very
Yeah, like no
quiet.
one else was there except me.
Really? Only one?
Yeah. Yeah.
You
Yeah,
have
and he was just, yeah, and he was just sitting there alone. Yeah, so I just asked some questions then.
okay. Yeah, it will be like, yeah, I understood, but it will be good if you like ask some queries
Yeah,
because
yeah,
you
I did.
all, yeah, but because you people are redoing this course, so it is like
Yeah.
cakewalk for you. But yeah, previously, like for the previous sessions, no, people will do this for the first time, right? Many people will be there, and you people have already qualified this qualifier, no, so it will be easy for you. Yeah. Week 1, 2, 3, 4 contents are light, but week 5, that contents will be somewhat bit tougher, no?
Yeah, yeah, I'm thinking of like doing the week, like the week 5 content right now.
Okay.
Cause like I have the material for that, like the from the previous students.
From the previous students, they are sharing their material.
Yeah, like yeah, to the like only to the students that like who are the part of the community, only to them.
Okay.
It's already available on the YouTube, I think.
Yeah, it's that videos will be available, but this assignments and all will not be available, no?
Yeah, those will not be available.
Mm. Okay, they are sharing assignments as well with you?
Nope,
To,
not the
no?
assignment, just the material.
Okay. Just this lecture sequence.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, for them, even for them, assignments are not available, or will that be available to them, or not sure.
I'm not sure about that.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it's good actually. It's good to talk with your seniors, no,
Yeah.
and they will guide you properly because they have already faced that, no, so they can.
Ma'am, I had a question, ma'am.
Okay.
My last semester I did two courses, ma'am, but now in this semester I'm not able to see those two courses. Why? Why is it so?
Actually, I'm not sure of that. I will ask my team members and admin. I will talk to admin and I will, yeah, you can ask you can drop this question in that discourse. We'll answer this query. Okay, we'll talk with admin and we'll answer your question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now like I can't give input which don't know properly, so that's why I'm telling to write in the discourse so that your question will be answered there.
Yes, ma'am. I will write it there.
Okay. On 16 there is this solve with us session. The session will be like we will make some presentation and we will display the questions you should
Hmm.
solve. Yeah, if you have some query you can ask there, like you can ask your on that particular question or something related to week 1 and week 2, that is of week 1 and week 2 only, yeah, it is like
Okay.
more like, yeah, will
It,
give, there will be presentation at that time.
it will be
And
solved by the instructor.
yeah, you can take the instructor's help and you can solve. It's not
Okay.
directly like kind of spoon feeding, like you will
Okay.
solve. If
Yeah.
you
Okay.
did mistake, like everyone will type their answers, if some,
Yeah.
finally the question will be explained, but yeah, it's not like kind of completely by instructor. Yeah,
Okay.
it will be
It will be
like,
like guided.
yeah, it will be guided. Now you people are like, there is no structure for this session, no, like you are generally you have gone through the activity questions and yeah, and we are doing, no, there is no presentation kind of thing, it's just one on like one to one meeting, right, without
Yeah.
anything. Yeah,
Ma'am,
that's
it will
session.
be weekly or like every
Yeah,
month.
no, it will be like weekly. 16th we have this activity session,
Okay.
and open session also we will have. Yeah, there are three sessions per week. One is activity, other is solve with instructor, and other is open. Open you can ask anything. Now activity session is confined to only activity questions. No, in
Yeah.
open session you can ask anything like graded assignment questions or practice assignment questions or this activity questions and content related questions
Okay.
there. Yeah, and this is the time for to do the things properly, like whatever small doubt you have you can ask, basic doubt also. And the basics, like being thorough with basics will be helpful further in the further lectures, no.
Um, how will the tests will be conducted? Ma'am?
Uh, till
The
now there
quizzes.
is, yeah, quizzes, no, till now there is, we haven't got any news regarding that, but mostly people are telling like it will be online, but it's not like what confirmed. Generally we haven't got any like news regarding that, not they haven't declared like okay, this will be exam will be conducted online this time. So no particular news regarding that, but discussion is happening like it might be online, like they are checking for possibilities, like how they can conduct. It will be proctored if it is this online thing, but till now we haven't got any news, like any proper news regarding that. That's why we are not announcing. If we know that, surely we will announce so that people will prepare. No,
Yeah. I think proctored exam will be like good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Proctored we can be done.
Are there any students here or all are working professionals?
I'm a student,
I'm
ma'am.
I'm a
also.
student. I'm a
Yeah.
student.
Okay. Which like what you're doing, like BTech or
Pursuing
something?
mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering. Okay.
I'm doing MTech, ma'am,
MTech.
in
Acha,
EC.
easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, then this will be easy for you, no? You like there will be some kind of programming knowledge for to you, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have some background.
Which language you have learned in your this? Yeah, that. Yeah, like institution.
I just learned, but I didn't apply it in
Yeah, you
some
haven't
real.
practiced.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this what every BTech, like most of the
Yeah,
BTech
you need
students.
to learn on your own mostly because the colleges don't teach you the right way.
Yeah, yeah.
Same issue with me as well.
Yeah, everywhere it's
Yeah,
there. Yeah,
yeah,
and
that's why
the,
like I haven't joined. Like I like drop out from the college because of that
mm,
right now. So like I'm like
mm, you are not audible. Is it only for me or for everyone?
For everyone, I guess.
Okay, might be internet connection is slow. Slow. Yeah, now how you people are doing your projects and college work online? Everything is online.
So
Yes,
everything is
ma'am.
online.
Everything is online. Yeah.
Uh, How
Hello,
they
ma'am.
take? Yes, yes.
What you did
sorry, I got
What I did?
in terms of education, like,
I did MTech. MTech from this IIT Madras only.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Computer science.
not from computer science. I'm from biomedical engineering.
Okay,
that's
ma'am.
great.
Great, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
And which year did you pass out?
2020, May 2020. Yeah,
Oh, nice.
this May only last year.
How was the environment?
Now,
No, like before, like during your MTech
yeah, it's
in the
like there is no
campus.
COVID at that time when no,
Yeah.
like no, I did and I did only my this first year in this in the college and second year I stayed in that Bangalore because I did some internship with the private company. I
Oh,
worked I did there and first year it was like very good. Like it's full of like greenery everywhere and there would be like monkeys, deers and yeah, you can like yes, it will be very good and
very nature friendly.
very nature friendly. Yes,
Ma'am, please let me know the company name.
Philips Healthcare.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, you can. Regarding city, also you can have something.
Ma'am, this CT, the course is prerequisite for the Python course.
Uh, uh, no, like if you do, I don't know surely exactly, but if you do CT properly, Python will be like
Yeah,
very easy. Everything, like
yeah.
whatever the syntax they are teaching, no, it's almost all similar to Python course.
Mhm. So
Yeah.
in CT there is no the programming language, right? In CT.
No,
Yeah, this is
it's
also
not.
video.
It's not specific programming language, but it's
Yeah.
like kind of
Only the
teaching you
pseudo code
concepts. Yeah, you
concepts. Yeah.
teaching you concepts how the computer perform the task.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, how we can give the like stepwise computational thing
Okay.
kind of thing to computer, how we can make our computer to do things for us. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like kind of, but the syntax whatever they are teaching this coming weeks there will be list and dictionary, this kind of data structures.
Yeah.
It's there in Python as well.
Which kind
And
of book we need to follow?
which book? Yeah, it's there in the portal, right? Some
Yeah. It's already
books.
there.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, this course is a prerequisite for Python course. They clearly mention it.
Yeah, okay, they mentioned okay, I don't know exactly, so I
That's
haven't
why they are
announced.
teaching it, right?
Yeah, whatever they teach in the foundational level, it will be useful in the further courses, right? Everything
Yep.
is like related, max 1 and then max 2. So if you haven't taken max 1, then max 2 will you can't do max 2, no? So it's kind of
You have to do
like,
integration and differentiation into.
yeah, these all things are required to do that machine learning. In the machine learning you will have some mostly that what algorithms, right? There will be a lot of calculus, all kind of things are involved for every that algorithm, no? So for this only they are teaching statistics and this max also.
Yeah.
Everything is like building you from this. Yeah.
I think like after we do this course, I think we need revision also, because like after doing so many courses, we might forget.
Yeah,
But
that's,
yeah,
Yeah.
it's
like
better
by
to
the time
take.
we reach by the time we reach like machine learning and all. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah. In your free time, like you can do like some
Revision.
projects, like some simple projects. Yeah, and revision also.
Mm.
I think
Yeah.
like after the foundation course.
Hmm.
Are you currently doing some projects?
Um. Yeah, in simple Python, some like basic projects right now. And I was preparing for that the cricket data science thing.
Okay, IPL thing you are doing.
Yeah, yeah, I was.
Okay, it's good. Yes, Sunil Kumar, you have joined recently. Now only, no? You can ask your any queries related to activity questions of week 2. Yeah, any general concept issue also you can ask here. Yes, Sunil. Are you clear with the concepts? I think he's not willing to speak.
How are the students in IIT now? Have they
Now
been
they
sent back
everything
home?
is online. Everything is online. Only few
So everyone has
PhD.
been sent back to their places.
Yeah, like they haven't came before in the like 2020 corona is there, no? At the time
Okay.
they left. Not till now they haven't, like, no, only PhD scholars are there. Only few, not all of them scholars are there.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, only final year PhD, fourth year, fifth years, that's it. Like
They
no
must be doing
one.
some research.
Yeah, like, okay, I will just go through this concepts. What, like, I will just read the topic names. If you have some doubts, you can tell. Like, Are you thorough with this variables, iterators, and filtering, everyone? Anything I need to explain regarding variables or iterators or filtering?
No, no.
Okay. Yeah, if someone has some doubts regarding that, you can tell. Okay. And the iterators using combination of filtering conditions. Is this concept clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Introduction to data types. Data types. Are you comfortable with the data types? String, character,
Can you like tell the difference between the record and the list one?
record, and the list. Okay, I will write and I will tell you. Okay.
Yep. Okay. Cool.
Okay. You first tell like what is your confusion regarding this record and list.
Like it's like the list is basically like to store like a particular data type, like um like to store like many string variables like.
Okay, okay. Your voice is little breaking. Others like if others you have some idea, you can tell like whatever you know. Yes, Kunwar, you were there in the previous session. No, you can tell like previous activity session. This in the week one activity session you were there. No, this kind of discussion has happened regarding list and record. No, Kunwar,
Yeah, actually, ma'am, just due to network problem, I didn't hear actually what's going on. So,
at the
can you
time.
repeat? Yeah. No, no, no. Now. At that time, I
Uh,
was there.
okay, now I'm asking regarding list and record. Okay, whatever you know regarding list and record, you can tell.
Okay, okay. Um, list is a same type of data, like suppose marks.
Okay.
So there is a, and this will start with square bracket,
Yes.
with commas, and record type, and record will be saved as a in within curly braces,
Mm.
within double inverted commas,
What double inverted commas?
and they may be different type of data type, a combination of different data types, uh, like city, Chennai, marks, math marks, or like that.
Yeah, now I'm telling like now you have this course card. No, is that like deck of card, pile of cards? Is that list or a record?
Yes. If
Huh?
we take any card, that is a record.
Yeah, it's a record. I will now I will explain
Hello.
you. Yes, 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 Kunwar, you are correct.
Okay. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
kind of confused on that.
now you understood. Actually, I will write this is now list. No, see,
Hmm.
list can have anything like 112 some data. Okay, this is a list. And yeah, list can like this is like numbers is also a list, and this strings are also the list. Like list holds the similar data type, like either integers or strings.
Like
That
all
is
data
it.
types should be same in the list.
Yeah, all the data in the record. No, like see now in our scores data set, like marks, everything are integers, so it can be a list. They can be list, right? And
Yeah.
in the record, like we have different fields like name, date of
Yeah.
birth, place. So and see every record has, I will write here some example. Okay, let's take ours this only. Yeah, this is a record. Okay, you have here string
Yeah.
and integers.
Hmm.
So this is like record can hold different data types, whereas list holds the similar data type. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, is it clear for you now?
Yeah, and like this Nalini belongs to the name, and this city belongs to like Chennai.
Hmm.
Like they both are interconnected.
It's not like that. No. See, in the scores data set, you will have that what name and date of birth and the city or town. This
Yeah.
name and date of birth, city, town are fields, and that corresponding values like whatever Nalini, Chennai or something,
Hmm.
they are corresponding values to that fields, right? So this name and city are fields, and
Yep.
this Nalini and Chennai, they are values corresponding to that field names.
To the field.
And
Okay, cool.
yeah, this now fields are holding strings here in name and city, and in the max, in max it is holding integer value. Yeah,
Okay.
record has different fields, and each field can hold any data type like either integers or
Okay.
strings. Yeah,
Hmm.
any data type. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, now I will ask like regarding this only, subtypes of basic data types, next concept. Okay for everyone? And i- anyone
Yes,
has
ma'am.
some? Yes, yes, you can speak.
No, ma'am, I'm saying no
Okay, you're
doubts.
telling. Okay,
No
okay,
doubts.
okay. Transformation of data types. And the 10th lecture is introduction to complex data types. This come here list and dictionary. This record comes, no?
Transformation means like what, ma'am?
Yeah, transformation like converting ins to float. Here they have taught in the lecture, right? How to convert ins to float. They just divided by some decimal number by 100 with 100, so that we'll get some that points value, no, 70.50 here in this. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the
Yes,
second
ma'am.
question, no. Here in the second question, right? We here they're asking, after transforming marks into subtype of the integer data type using the steps mentioned in the lecture, what would be the result of the operation print of 70? This in the lecture they have told how to convert this integer to float, right? By dividing by 100. No, are
Yes,
you
yes, ma'am.
remembering? Yeah. So print of 70, they made this print function to divide.
Yeah.
They told like that, like print function divides the integer by 100 and it gives the output. So now correct answer will be like 70.5. This is like floating, well, float, no, float data type, right?
So data type. Yeah.
Yeah, this is how they taught. Yeah. Okay, next
Okay.
other. Yeah.
How was it printing 70.5?
Yeah, I told na in the lecture they
Oh,
have
they divide
told.
by they
Yeah,
divide by 100.
print
Yeah.
function, they made that print function. They told like print function will divide our decimal value, whatever decimal, like either 1,000 or 100, whatever decimal value we give, it will divide by 100 and it will print that output. That's what they told in the lecture. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
activity question, no? Yeah.
This one is.
Huh.
So it's not just printing it, but it's also dividing it.
Yeah, it's dividing and it's giving the output. And in the second week, first lecture is regarding conditional termination in iteration, like if else kind of thing in the iterations. And in the second lecture, they are talking about local operations and max in single iteration. Is it okay for you, everyone? Like why we are initializing max to some minimum value and min to some
Yeah.
highest value? Okay. Others?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes.
didn't get your question.
Yeah, I'm asking like why they have initialized max to some minimum value and min to some highest value while calculating, while finding the max and min of our file or some scores data
Yes,
sets.
one, yes, one. Then during iteration, we can change the
Mm.
value. Appropriately, we can change the value.
Yeah.
If
See
it
if
is
we need.
smaller than min means, we can change that as min. If it's
Yeah.
greater than max means, we can update the max value.
Yes. If we initialize max to some lower value, so we are checking every time, like if our scores card is greater than max, then we are updating. If we initialize our that to some greater value, like let's say 100, but in our scores data set there are no one with 100, only 99 is topper, but how the max variable won't be updated, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why we are initializing max to some minimum value and minimum to some highest
Maximum.
value.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, next lecture is like local operations and max in single iterations. Same thing. Local operations and max in single iteration. What?
When the value is less than 100 means, we can change it in min. And if it's greater than 0 means, we can change it in max.
Sorry, it's not clear. Like, can you tell little slower?
This one. So we set max to 0 and min to 100.
Max to 0, yes, min to 100.
This one. And then if we go through the cards and if max is greater than 0 means, then we change the
Update.
value of max.
Yes,
Then
Yeah.
if
Change the
the
value.
min is less than 100 means, we will change the value of min.
yes.
Yes. Okay.
Why we took 100 and 0? Because the minimum marks possible in the scores
0 and
data,
maximum
0
100.
and
Yeah.
max possible is 100. So we are
The
initializing them
program
to.
won't change the value because it's already at the maximum.
Mm, yeah, if our scores data set has marks from 0 to 1000, then our min should be 1000, not 100.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like some highest value to our this. Yeah, if we initialize max and min to whatever, to first card, if we take first card from pile and we are initializing max and min with the same value, will our output will be changed? Like will we get that correct minimum and correct maximum?
May or may not change.
See, okay.
Can
Yeah.
you repeat? Can you repeat?
Okay, we have that scores. Let's say we have scores data set, and we are
Yeah.
initializing our maximum and minimum values with the first card values whatever we have seen. Okay, let's say total. If the total is like 270, we are initializing our maximum and minimum as 270. Finally, will we get the maximum total and minimum total in that variables? If we check our condition and if we do, will we get that maximum and minimum?
No, man.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
we will get it.
Yes, ma'am. We will.
Okay, let's say if our minimum is 213 or something, and our first card is 270, then it will check if it is less than. Yes, it is less than whatever we are seeing. 213 is less than
Yeah.
270, and it will be updated.
Yep.
And max also it will be updated. And
Yes.
if, yeah, so it won't cause any, like, we'll get the minimum and maximum even if we initialize the variables max and minimum to the whatever we have seen any from any card of any card of that data set.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Because we are only updating the value, so I don't think it will make a change. So yeah, we can take any value and then we can cross check and update.
You are not sure with that answer or what, Ganesh? Yeah, we
No, no.
can. Yeah, every time it will check and it will update, no? So we'll check the conditions and it will update. So yeah, we'll get the correct answer only for in if we take any card from our data set.
Yeah.
This
Just
is
any
valid for only this data set, right, man?
Like, okay, do you have some example of other data set where this answer is correct wrong?
No,
it will
ma'am.
be correct for.
Like,
No, this, like,
will it be
whatever.
correct?
Okay, now you have numbers from 1 to 10. You want to find the maximum and minimum value, and you are initializing the variable max to 1 and minimum to 1. So, okay, now you will check every time, you will check whether maximum is greater than 1. That 2, let's say next iteration is 2, no? 2 is greater than 1, yes. So it will update our max is 2, and minimum condition it will check whether 1 is less than 2, no. So minimum will be 1. So if you go on checking, you will get the min and maximum as minimum as 1 and maximum as 10.
And
Yes, no?
yep.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, this condition, like, it is true for every data set. Like, to find minimum and maximum, you can initialize to any of the value in the data set.
Yeah, but at first, like you can't choose the max value to be the highest of all the data set. That will be wrong.
And no, if you choose the maximum, see, now your dataset first card is 99. Okay. And you are
Yeah.
initializing your maximum value as 99. So every next card, let's say next card is 70. Then you will check whether
Uh,
99 is less than 70.
I know. I was saying that if it's like even greater than the 99 card, if it's like out of the like the max is like more than the any value of the data cards. I mean that in the data set, like the 99 is the max value, and if
Okay.
it shows like 101 or 100,
Yeah,
then
it
it will be
doesn't.
wrong.
No, it won't happen.
Yeah, it won't happen like if we like.
Yeah, it won't happen. I'm telling, like, then it will give wrong answer if you
Yeah.
initialize to value which is higher than the max value in the data set.
Yep.
Yeah. Introduction to pseudocodes. Okay, now previously procedures were used, no? Are you like people comfortable with the pseudocodes?
Yeah,
Any like
I'm fine with that.
anyone are facing issues or trouble like in understanding or anything regarding pseudocode, you can ask here. Yeah, that's all. It's all regarding iterations and filtering, no? Week 1 and week 2 data types.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So like in a pseudocode,
Yes.
so like there is a like something like x dot maths, right?
Yeah.
X dot maths. So what does the dot mean? Like it's accessing the maths value from
Yes.
from that card, right?
Yes, yes, you are correct. Yeah, actually, we are picking a card. We are naming the card in every like in iterators. In iteration, we are taking the, we are iterating to the pile of the cards. We are picking a card and we are calling it as X, and we are accessing that field names like in the
Yeah,
scores data
from
set
the
we
record.
have name, date of birth
Yeah.
and city town. So we are accessing those field names like x dot name gives that whatever name the card value of the name, let's say uh, some Ganesh, its name is Ganesh, so it will give the name as Ganesh in that x dot name place. What is your name?
It's a viral.
Aviral. Okay.
Yeah.
Previously I called something, no?
Yeah. It's
You
fine.
can tell, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm. Yes, Krishna Kumar Sharma, you have joined recently, right? This is session is of city activity session of week to content. If you have some doubts regarding that, you can ask here. Yes, Krishna, are you comfortable with this? With week 2 and week 1 content of city activity?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
I have doubt in activity question 2.3.
Okay.
Uh,
Activity question 2.3.
Question number 1.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. 2.3. First question. Krishna,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it
Yes.
first? Yes. Okay, suppose we wish to find the shortest sentence in the paragraph words data set. We decided to use the variables min and count that keep the track of the length of the shortest sentence seen so far and the length of the current sentence respectively. Okay. Which of the following is a valid initialization for min? Okay. What like which option do you think is correct? Krishna? Yeah, the question is about finding the minimum, the sentence which has minimum number of words. For that you need to initialize the variable minimum and count. So count is counting every time the like number of words in each sentence, and to find that the sentence with the minimum number of words, what would you like to initialize the variable minimum? So Krishna, like what do you think will be the correct answer for this? Yeah, you can speak, Krishna. If you speak, then then I will know like why you are thinking like why you are thinking so yeah.
Sorry, ma'am. I have asked wrong question. It was activity 2.4 last question, ma'am. Ma'am,
2.4. Okay. 2.4 last third question, no?
yes, ma'am. Third question.
Okay. We have new version of the shopping bills dataset with 1000 cards drawn from several new shops. Okay. Apart from the variable max, what is the maximum number of variables that we would have to maintain if we wish to find the maximum number of bills generated by any one of the shops? So which answer do you think is correct?
I don't know, ma'am. I thought three.
See, now previously whatever data set we have SV stores and Sun Generals and other big bazaar data set, right? The shop names in our data set. So
Yes.
what in the lectures professors has done is they have maintained the count of this, how many bills are there from SV stores and how many bills from Sunday Generals and how many bills from Big Bazaar, and from them they have seen which which shop has got maximum number of bills. So now in the question they're asking like, now we have 1000 different new shops. So they're asking like, how can we find the
It is
like,
not mentioned in question that we have 1,000 new shop,
yeah, we have new version of shopping bills dataset with 1000 cards drawn from several new shops.
several new shop.
Yeah,
Here,
several.
shops
Now
not are not mentioned.
yeah, shops have not mentioned, but the case is like they told like the cards are 1000 and exact number is not given. So we we must always think like every every time we should think of that what boundary conditions. So several new shops, like the possible condition like there, like some shops can be same, but the boundary condition is like every shop is different. So at that time we need to maintain 1000 variables. Every time we should be in the same safe side. Even if there are 1000 new shops, then our answer should be correct. So we should check the boundary conditions and we should initialize our variables, to get the correct answer. See, in the maximum also, we will initialize our variable to maximum, like 100, not 99. Like we know, like very few, like most of them will get 99 or something, but still we initialize that with 100, which is boundary conditions. Only very few people will get. So here they have mentioned 1000 new cards, and they haven't mentioned about how many shops. So we should assume that boundary condition, like okay, the all the cards might be different. So we it will be, the answer will be always correct if we initialize maximum variable to 1000.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear for you now or
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
okay? Yes, others. Yes, Krishna, you have some doubts like why maximum and minimum should be initialized. Maximum should be initialized to some lowest value and minimum should be some highest value, Krishna.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I asked
No,
that question mistakenly through the options. I asked that question. I didn't saw the
no, I'm
question.
asking, are you like,
I
do
didn't
you
have thought.
know Like I'm asking, like, do you know like why maximum is initialized to some lowest value and minimum is initialized to you to some highest value? I'm asking that. Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
clear?
Yes.
Okay, okay, it's okay then. Okay, what are you doing? Like, are you working professional or are you a student, Krishna, presently?
Presently, I'm student.
Okay, what you are pursuing? Like, educational background,
BCA.
easy engineering,
BCA.
BCA. Okay. Now, like, how you are finding this CD course? Is it tough or easy for you?
First 4 weeks are easy. After
Okay, later weeks are difficult. Huh? Yeah. If you now you are doing the you are revise what you are doing this other time, no, second time, no, so like you will get enough time. Previously, like you will be in somewhat lack of time, but you will get enough time this time, so you can you can revise properly this time, I think, every concept. And there are many sessions will happen like whatever doubts you can ask, like you can ask here, no, like weekly will 3 sessions will happen this time.
when qualifier one will happen of second term.
Yeah, currently we don't have any idea regarding that. We haven't got any information from admins regarding this, but surely it will happen. Don't like,
I
yeah.
got mail from that site that we will have exam on 30 May.
You got mail. When did you get this mail?
During registration time, ma'am. Second term.
Yeah. Okay, during registration yeah, now conditions have changed. I don't know exactly. But if you have some queries, you can drop mail to CT support team, or you can write in the discourse regarding this operational thing. No, I'm not sure there with that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, you can write if you have doubt. No, you can write. Then now I will forget this. If you write in that, drop a mail, or if you write some in the discourse or something, it will be definitely answered. Okay. In
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Are all the houses are made? Like they were telling some about the houses and the
I think they were
some.
made. You are not participating in that houses community group something are going on. No.
Yeah, they are going on.
Okay. What generally will do in that houses and that thing, like how many houses, like what? I'm not like not familiar with that, so I'm asking. Like you people will join, no, in those houses.
Yeah, we have been given some houses, like all the
Okay.
students, and then like they are deciding some few people from the houses to lead.
As admin. Okay. Uh, okay. There you people will interact and how actually some kind of meetings will happen.
Yeah, but like we haven't given it, they haven't given any information regarding that stuff right now.
Till
Like
now
it's at the
only.
early stage. Yeah,
Okay, they are populating people and they are asking for this leaders kind of thing. Now they're doing this thing, huh?
yeah, like they were saying like there will be elections for that.
Actually, no, it's like they wanted you to give the feel of pursuing in IIT Madras, not only academics,
Yeah.
but how other events will happen,
Yep.
other things. Yeah, that's what that's what they are trying to do in the apart from academics, they are trying to do that. Yes. Activity session is long, right? 2 hours for in the later weeks. I think it will be helpful, but now like yeah, if strength is more, then if queries are more, then it will be good. But now queries are less, no, so it's feeling like we are feeling like lengthy. Time is more, like more time too. But in
I
way,
think like they should. I think like they should like give all that the schedule in the course section only. Like they are giving it in the emails stuff.
acha, that's why few
Yeah,
people are joining.
yeah, I think so because the last time they like they gave us the Excel sheet of the links
Now
and
it's not
everything
there
in
in
there.
your calendar. It will be shown in your calendar. No.
Yeah, it will be shown, but like the option is like very of like I think like most people didn't even bother to saw that.
Okay. You people
Yeah.
have this there's groups and all, right? You can someone can post like the session is happening today and time, like every session CT or stats or something. You can update, no, so
Yeah,
others, it will
yeah,
be helpful
yeah.
for others also, like if they have, like many people might not be knowing this there is a session and people are taking this, yeah, and many people are not aware of this discourse also, I think so, like where they can ask these queries. Yeah, someone, if you know,
I think they said like they're yeah. Can you can continue?
yeah, if like you can, some of you, like anyone, you can message just simply like there is a session today something, so that people also will come to know, like okay, they're not come, this is not happening this physically, no, this is online, no, so yeah, they don't know what's going, they, like if they are active they will come to know, but some people might be busy.
Hmm.
Yeah, just post in some WhatsApp groups or somewhere, so that everyone will come to know, like not everyone but most of them.
Are you also taking like the Python classes
Currently
like all
no.
other? Okay,
No, I was like I will be Java, I was hired for Java, but now I'm doing this CT.
okay.
It's not like okay, like, there will be like kind of team working on Python as well, no,
Hmm.
the CT team is also layer by the, according to the requirement people will change like from this team to other team, it's like that. Previously you were there, no, while you were taking in the previous qualifier, Omkar and Karthik were there, no, they were, I, are you familiar with them, this Karthik and Omkar? Previously they they are
Oh,
CT course supported.
I don't know their names.
Okay, okay. Now they're Karthik and Omkar. Now they are handling Python now.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think that time you people were busy and you haven't attended sessions at the time, or yeah,
Yeah, I did some of them. Yeah.
yeah. Like previous in the previous session, they told like very few session has happened and we are not aware of that sessions also. They told like that. And it's not like weekly there will be one session or two sessions previous time, but this time there are
Mm.
three.
Yeah.
And very few people are joining here, no, and it's very interactive. They are like only questions or something, no.
Mm.
Yes, you can. Anyone, if you have some
Uh,
doubts, queries, you can ask.
yeah. So there was a question in graded assignment 15th.
Of week one.
Yeah, of week one.
Okay.
So this is like the match the following
Okay,
thing.
match the following. If it does not involve calculation, like not NAT, if it's NAT type of question, then it will be difficult to answer because we need to go through data set and we need to check. No.
No, it's not that. It's
Yeah, you
like the
told
sim.
it's matching. No.
Yep.
Okay, I will share my screen. Is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah. Now, which question you have doubt? 15th question.
Yeah.
Okay, what
So
is your?
in this like they have like given us the names and the like data types and they have said to match
Mm,
them.
yes.
Yeah. So in like in the C part, it is written gender is F, right? So
Mm.
also can be the character.
If it is a character, it will be written as F. Only F. No. They are telling it's like is gender female equal to, like it's more like condition.
Oh, it's
It's
Boolean.
yeah, it's
Okay.
boolean.
Okay. Okay. See. Yeah.
See
So I was
now,
like,
okay.
yeah, I was
Now
little
we have
confused.
that x dot gender equal to female, right? This kind of thing only they are checking, like
Mm-hmm.
gender is female. So here it's saying name. Now what is the name, like x dot name, it will give some string only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now in the third question, it's like gender is F. That is like x dot gender equal to F. The output will be true or false. If we pick a card and if we check, it will be true or false. So it is a Boolean. If it is a character, they would have given only F or only
F.
M,
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
yeah, only a single character in single quotes.
Yeah. I was just focusing on the F, so I said
Yeah,
that.
I understand. Yeah, this.
Okay. Rest is clear, I
Okay.
think.
Okay. Yeah, others. You are from which places? Like, how is the COVID and everything there? Situation of COVID and
It's a lockdown right now here.
I.
I'm from
Oh,
Meerut. Yeah.
okay. Everywhere it's lockdown only, no?
Yeah.
And
So the quiz will be like before assignment, before week 4.
yeah, we are also
It's written like the deadline of week 4 is June 2.
okay.
So the quiz will be before that.
Quiz. Uh, Actually, quiz no. Quiz one has only week one, two, three contents. No week four content
Oh,
in the
okay.
yeah
Oh, I
in
see.
quiz one. Only week one, two, and three.
Oh, okay. I thought week 4 was also included.
No, it's one, two, three. Qualifier has 4 week content, but quiz only
Yeah.
3 weeks content. Oh, yes.
So the graded assignment score is only to qualify for the quiz.
Yes. What did they mention regarding this graded assignment? Like every graded assignment should be submitted before the deadlines, and I don't know, like will this marks will be carried to your NSEM marks, like your, or they are just
Oh,
qualifying marks for quiz, like that? Will it take some weightage to your NSEM with these graded assignments?
I think like they said that the quiz marks will take weightage on the final score,
Okay.
I
like
think
30 or
to be
40% of
to
that, and the end term
yeah,
score.
I think that to be eligible for the end term exam, we have to score something like best of
Okay.
8 or something. They will take
Best of eight. Okay. Best of eight. Okay.
something like that. I think I forgot.
Best of 8 for the graded assignment thing.
Yes, that to be eligible for the end term exam, you have to like score some minimum marks,
Yeah,
and
it
they will
will be
take.
there.
In
No.
which? In the assignments.
Yeah, graded graded
Oh,
assignment. Yeah,
okay. To be eligible, right?
yeah, to be
Not they
eligible for
will
that.
not like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there will be no weightage. I think only for the eligibility of
Hmm.
for writing the exam.
Yeah, but they like after this, before before conducting this qualifier also, many people will register, but few of them will not be eligible even for writing that qualifier exam. I think maybe because of this graded assignment marks only. I think so. They will
Yeah.
filter. Yeah. Yeah.
Our online degree students are permitted to visit the campus.
Uh,
Not now, but after COVID.
After COVID,
Our online degree students permitted to visit the campus.
yes. Yeah, previously also few people kept exam center as Chennai, and some people has came and visited the campus also.
Do
So
you need to show any ID proof?
they let them in.
Yeah, will let in.
Do you need to show ID proof or anything?
Currently, because of COVID, no, like we have some ping pass kind of thing and ID. If we have both of that, only they are allowing. But previously, if we have some ID or something, they will allow. Even visitors are also allowed previously. Like if, yeah, but now because of COVID, rules has become very strict. They now they are not allowing like
Yeah.
previously. Once the situations are like normal, they will allow, I think. But now the like we you should have some ping pass and ID also. Yeah, I told you, no, only like PhD scholars, that too only fourth and final year people were there, and all are like doing online thing only.
They were also like saying something about MPTEL courses, like for after the foundation, something about regarding the credits.
They're telling, I'm I'm not sure of that.
Oh,
Like campus tour, did they show some campus tour for you guys or some not, like live campus
No,
tour?
no.
No. Okay.
no.
Only in video they show actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
Live campus tour will be good, like, yeah. They planned previously, but now the situations have become worse, and many of us also working from home, we are also working from home. So now possibilities of doing tour kind of thing is tough only now.
Yeah. Yeah, they were planning some meetups also, like with the instructors, with the teachers and the
Okay.
mentors. Yeah,
Okay.
but I think it's all cancelled now.
We
Hmm.
were actually able to meet the coordinators during the quizzes in the last term.
Yeah,
They
yeah, like,
visited some. They came to
yep.
some centers for seeing the
Yes,
quizzes.
yes, centers people will, instructors and Bharati ma'am and you sir, Pratap sir, they also will come there to what, to talk to you, like what are your like difficulties, and how you are feeling, to get feedback from you, and how they can improve, to talk like to know the details. People will, the instructors and faculty will come and will talk to you. Previously Madhavan sir also has come to the center. Yeah, Chennai they will come, but for others centers it's difficult for them now to come. Like you people tell, like what can be improved in this course, CT or CT, in the CT course. Like what do you think, if we do this it will be better, like kind of thing.
This TT,
Yeah, in the CT, like whatever now we are providing you, like if you have some ideas, like okay, if you have faced some difficulty regarding this course, like if you have some idea, this can be done in this way. Yeah,
If more practice paper are there, then it will be good.
more practice questions.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, we'll try to implement that. And any other
I think we can start very basic programming. I think very basic level.
in the CD course? Yeah, next courses will be like structure, like they will be Python is there, Java is there, and DBMS. Like other courses are also there. No, like there the programming will be taught of that particular language, but in the CT, like they are not restricting themselves to any language.
Actually,
Ma'am,
CT is
is there
prerequisite for programming, na, ma'am.
What?
Yeah, it will be.
CT course is prerequisite for programming.
Is it
See,
not?
but
No, it's not audible. Can
am
you?
I audible?
It's like kind of not clear.
Oh,
You
oh.
can you can write in the chat or something like that.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
If someone has heard it properly, you can tell, or others.
yeah, he's saying the city course is prerequisite for the Python programming course.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
yes,
have.
yes.
Yes, yes. It's previously someone here
Yeah, yeah.
mentioned like it's prerequisite.
Ma'am, is there any like data structure uh, course?
Data structures.
Yeah, PDSA is there, programming data structures algorithms. Its course is there in that. In that, there only data structures and algorithm will be there. It will be like
Mhm.
very good course also to learn data structures and algorithms.
Will it be like based on Python or like
Python. And CT is mostly almost similar to Python list dictionary kind of data structures are there here. They have introduced here.
yeah?
If you do CT properly, then Python will be like very easy for you.
Mhm.
And PDSA, like it's like mostly kind of thinking, like framing the ideas properly, algorithms, no. So CT will be kind of like will be very helpful here. You are using iterators, filters, and in the list and dictionaries. So everything will be like it is CT is like foundational course to learn other courses, other programming and data structures properly. If you understand and do this CT properly, other will be like it will be not easy, but it they will be like CT will be very helpful to what to do the other courses properly like Python and PDSA.
Okay.
I won't say like if you do that Python will be easy, but no, like you can understand them better. Without CT, it will be like much more difficult to write code and to think. Yeah. Yeah, it's a newly one. Ashwar Singh has joined. No, you can. This session is of activity session. You can ask any questions related to week two activity questions of CT. Ashwar, what's your name? Is not responding. I think so. Yeah, you can tell like you have some doubts. It's better if you speak like if you post in the chat it won't be that interactive, like you speak. The session is for you only, to speak out, to ask your queries. It's okay, you can speak. Here, previously you haven't joined. Here, everyone was speaking. They are your friends only, no? It's absolute grading or relative grading here?
It's absolute, ma'am.
Absolute, then yeah, if you score 90, then you will get S or something, right?
Yes, more than 90.
Yeah, more than 90. So, okay. Yeah, on 16th, 16th May, we have this solve within instructor session. Their presentation will happen, like we'll do presentation, and
Yes,
you
ma'am. 3
people
to 5
can,
days.
In
yeah, you
16 or
people can
15?
solve
Oh,
16th May, 1/6,
yep. Okay. And what will be
on
the time
Sunday, 5 to
on
7,
Sunday? Okay.
5 to 7,
I think 3 to 5, ma'am.
3 to 5. Okay, let me check and confirm.
I can't see it in the calendar.
Calendar, it's not there.
Oh,
It's there in calendar.
oh,
It's
it's
there.
there. Wait,
Yes.
yeah, CT and for stats.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's week.
It's 3 to 5. It's written 3 to 5.
Yeah, it's, oh, solve with instructor, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes.
Solve with 3 to 5. 3 to 5. It's 3 to 5. Three to 5, 16th May is.
And what will we solve?
Practice assignments. Questions will be solved. But yeah, it will be solved. Like, you people can solve it without you can, without looking you can come to the session without doing the practice assignment questions, because every question will be presented, and you will be given time, like 5 to 5 minutes kind of thing, and you can
Yep.
yeah, you can solve, like here, like while solving you will find difficulty, you will understand where you are finding trouble. So at
So
the
so
time
we
we
can
can
do our
help.
practice.
Yes, at the time you
So
can
we can
ask
do
where.
that.
Yeah, you can come to the session without doing that practice assignment questions, because it will be,
Yeah.
you can solve here after, like if I think if you solve here, it will be good, because you will get the doubts like you can ask instantly, right? Yeah. there itself.
The doubt clear, and actually with time frame we can solve the
Yes.
problem. So it
Yes,
helps
yes,
in exam actually.
yes. Yeah. But for after this week 4, week 5 to week 11, it will be good if you visit those practice assignment, and if you come this week 1 to week 4 or later, no, so you can come even without looking going through that question. But after this, it will be good if you after, like if you come after doing that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, it's already 9:02. Let's end the session. Bye.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks all
Thank you,
for
ma'am.
joining. Thanks all for joining the
Yeah.
session.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks for joining.